Hi. Um, as we discussed, we have created our Ticketman application and we have tested on previous video. And in this video, we are going to deploy on Google. So this is our last way to get the gift from Google. And so just click on Google Assistant, and it will come with this page. So we got this action console page, and we have tested our project here, and now we are going to deploy our project. Here we can see that we need to fill some details like description and logos and privacy and some sort of settings. So here in sample invocation we need to add how a user can say to invoke your action. So by calling Ticketman, our application will be open, and we can add more invocations if we need, and images. Here the images, large banner is optional but small logo is mandatory. So for that we need to add an image with 192 into 192 resolution. So for that we need a resized image, like we have an image with 250 pixel, so we need to resize it. So just open with paint and just resize it to 192. Just pixel size is 192, and just okay, and just save it and just choose. Just drag it into the position and just select it. And so we have added our logo here, and we can name the details like email. So redeyes.abs gmail.com, and the developer name is redeyes. And here the main important thing is privacy. Here we need to add our privacy of the application by the link. So for that I have a privacy of my old application on Google Assistant. So you can copy paste it, and one thing you need to replace is your application name here, and my old one was zip code finder, and the person who developed was like it's a sample name like John. So you need to replace both these things. So just replace with John with some another name like Matthews. Just replace all, and replace zip code finder with Ticketman. Just replace all. So I have just replaced my old project name into Ticketman and the developer name into Matthews. So you just uh, make it on your Word file, and the next thing is you need to do is just go to Google Sites. So just go to sites.google.com and make sure it have log into with your account. and you just create a new Google site here, and just wait for the moment. Okay, so here we just give like ticket man, and just we just add the text here and copy that word and copy that all text from the word. You don't worry guys, I will give the link of this file on my description of this video, so you will get this file by visiting that link. Okay, after pasting these two details like header and your policy, you can just publish and enter the name like ticket man policy, and here who can view anyone, and you just click on publish. So you can see that your site has been published. So you will get your site link from here, and you just paste it here, just ticket man policy. Yeah, it's work. So just go to privacy and policy page and just paste it here, and terms of service is optional, and additional information like please choose the category. We just give some arts and lifestyle, and for families, yes, you can just like yes or no options here, no, and testing instructions is also optional, and my policy you need to give yes. Okay, so after filling these details you can click on save. So after filling these details we need to just go to the next tab of the action console like location targeting, and we need to select the countries. We can like just all countries and regions, and let's just save it, and surface capabilities here, and here suppose if our application need to play a song or need to see some pictures, means we can make this yes options. So our application is not using any kind of image and audio, so we can give as no, and our application will work on these devices. And then the company details, we can add a company like base website if we have, the country like any country like China, and developer contact like Matthews, and just save it. So go to the next section, and we can verify our brand here. So you can see that after finishing all the details it's just worked, and we can click on create release and just accept the policy, and you just click on submit actions and running checks. So you can see that our application is reviewing by Google team, and they will let you know by email if they have any kind of errors on our application, and they will test properly each line. And after testing successfully, they will publish our application, and we can access it globally. And after 1 month, we will get an email regarding our t-shirt size, so we can reply that mail by mentioning our t-shirt size like medium or large. And after that, just after 1 more month, yeah, we will get our gift to the address we mentioned. So that's all. So best of luck, guys. Thank you so much.